All right. So, hello guys. Welcome to our next topic, which is optimizing the product title. Okay. So, optimizing an Amazon product title involves making it more appealing and visible to potential customers. Okay. So, meron tayong mga certain requirements dito sa pag-optimize ng ating product title para mas ma-hit niya yung algorithm ni Amazon together with the ni customer. Okay? So, para mas maganda siya sa visibility ng ating customer. Okay? Yan. Alright. So, first is, okay? So, these are the tips, okay, on how to properly optimize your product title. So, meron siya mga certain requirements. So, alright. So, first of all, keep it concise. Okay? So, the title should be short and to the point. So typically, no more than 200 characters. Okay? No more than 200. But sometimes, it may be longer depende rin sa product category. Siyempre, may mga product category na kailangan ng mga model number, yan, mga sizes, colors. So minsan talaga, medyo hahaba din yung ating product title. Okay? Yan. Alright? So the next one is with use relevant keywords. Okay, include the most important and relevant keywords that customer might use when searching for your product. Okay, di ba? Nag-conduct tayo ng keyword research. Okay, yung nakuha nating data coming from Cerebro ni Helium 10 is gagamitin natin dito sa ating product title. So we have to ensure na yung mga matataas na search volume, okay, yun ang gagamitin natin. Alright? Yan. Okay? And then, okay, make sure to follow Amazon's guidelines for title formatting and avoid any prohibited terms or symbols. Okay? Pag sinabing Amazon guidelines, ayan, so kasama yan dun sa inyong worksheet. Okay? Ibigay ko yan sa inyong worksheet. So, makikita nyo yung mga prohibited words or keywords na hindi pwede sa product title. Okay? You can check that as your reference. Okay? Yan. Alright? Now, I will show you. Okay? So, I will show you how to create or how I come up with the product title using the Cerebro or the data na ginamit natin. Okay? Yan. So, okay? And before that, syempre dapat is ma-consider din natin yung branding. Okay? Branding. Yan. Sorry. And make sure na consider natin yung branding and if applicable, include your brand name in the title to help increase brand awareness. Yan. Okay? Yan. Alright. So, let's go to the demonstration. So, we have here, okay, so as you can see, ito yung ating master keyword list. This is the one that is coming from Cerebro. Okay? Cerebro, ito yung nakamap natin dun sa ating previous lesson. Okay? So, ito na siya. Okay? Ito yung mga words na gagamitin natin sa ating product title. Okay? Yan. Alright. Now, yan. So, I come up with the product title here. Okay? So, Coach Ben brand kitchen knife, professional butcher chopping sharp knife. Okay? Carbon steel with high husk cutting utility purpose, industrial quality master blade slicer, ergonomic safe, beautiful handle. Okay? So, itong mga words na to, yan, all of these are coming from here. So, sa lahat sila is dito nang galing. Okay? Yan. So, lahat sila dito nang galing. Okay? So, I'll make sure or I have to ensure na they are, okay? So, ito yung mga high volume keywords. Okay? So, lahat yan nandito galing. Okay? And then, para malaman nyo kung ilan yung characters niya, if we stay up to 200 characters, we can go to this website, which is LetterCount. So, this tool, okay, this is also available dun sa inyong magiging worksheet. Okay? So, check natin kung ilan. Okay? So, that's gonna be 204. Alright? 204 characters. Okay? So, this is 204 characters. Okay? So, that's how you do it. Okay? Sa inyong product title optimization. And, by the way, itong purpose nito, so as you can see, pag naglagay ako ng comma nasa gitna, so, let's say, word, space, comma, space, and then another word. Okay, this is for indexing purpose, guys. Okay, so dapat is hindi ka dikit ng comma kasi there's no such thing as word na mayroong comma. Okay, so dapat is hindi siya nakadikit sa word. So pag gumawa kayo ng product title, make sure na ganito ang format so para ma-check ko siya ng maayos. Okay, yan. Alright, so if you do have any question, you can ask me the Checkpoint live session. Alright, so thank you and have a great day.